Workout's done today. Did a quick leg workout. Didn't even film it. I'm gonna head out and get some lunch. Ooh, and it definitely feels like winter out here today. It's freezing, windy, snowy. Yeah. I'm back at home now. Just back at the computer desk. Getting some porridge. Getting some oats in my system for some carbs. Today, you know what? Honestly, it's gonna be a lazy day. I don't really feel like going out. I don't really feel like doing much. Honestly, I'm just gonna chill at home and edit. I'm gonna make some videos today. I want to get out a video from like 2015 skating and drone footage montage. So I have a dubstep song that I really want to use for that, and I'm gonna put that on my Mob Media channel. So I think I'm just gonna work on that today. Film a few videos for the week through the knotlocks channel. Yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling out. So probably hop on a live stream later on as well. Say what up to the people, you know. Out here in the cold today, blazing it up. On second thought, I'm gonna smoke in the garage because it's way too windy out there. Lit up enough. Oh yeah, it's good now. It was just lit a bit crooked at first. So I didn't even film my workout today. Just felt like pumping one out and then getting back home. Just smoking on a spliff of jackalope right now. It's pretty tasty. And I'm editing a video today, right now, of all my drone footage from last year. Because I'm sitting on a lot of footage that I haven't put it together in a montage. So I'm gonna be editing that today. Hopefully I come up with a masterpiece. It's gonna be like 5-6 minutes. My drone is now up for sale online as well. I'm trying to get rid of it for $1,000. Kind of over the drone scene right now. That was fun last year though to go into it. I think I had it for about a year now. I would get another drone. A better one. The Hero 3, the Phantom 3 Professional. Save the rest of that. Let's go inside. Yo, oh my gosh. Right now there's gonna be a snowstorm coming into play. Watch.
An Alberta Clipper makes its presence known in southern and central Ontario come Tuesday. Sophia Kambalia joining you now for this active weather update on digital. Widespread 5 to 10 centimeters can be expected through the Great Lakes, southern Ontario come Tuesday. Lake enhancement up to 10 to 15 depending on where you are. This will set up the potential with the wind change on Wednesday for more lake effect squalls. A few days of active weather to come in much of eastern Canada, really, and this is when a lot of you, especially in the Great Lakes Basin, have a snowpack already, maybe upwards of
we're getting snow! Snow day tomorrow! Oh my gosh, legit, it just took me like all day to go through all my drone footage from last year and put it to a song that's like almost 5.5 minutes. And this is what I have. So I have all my footage I'm going to use minus like a couple drone shots I left out from the winter and from skating I haven't put in there yet. So I'm going to cut this together first, make this shit look crispy. And then when the shots that I find I don't like, I'm going to replace them with the footage I haven't used yet. So that's what I've been doing all day today. My last day on vacation, going back to work tomorrow. And I came across a camera in my cupboard that I think I'm gonna try out It's not mine. It's my friend's that he left it with me a couple years ago now, and I didn't realize I had it. But I'm gonna try and use that for some vlogs before I give it back to him and see the difference between that camera and this little GoPro, because I can't zoom on the GoPro. So if I use that thing, I can have some zoom and I can have some fun playing around with it a bit more. We'll see what happens. You know what? It actually came out pretty good so far, considering it's only a rough cut and I haven't even started editing really. I just really chose the clips I wanted. I roughly timed them out to the song, but I still got to go back and like polish it all off. But here's a quick glimpse of what I'm working on here. I mean, I'm liking it. It's bringing back a lot of memories from last year, and it's making me want to film more stuff with my drone. Although I did just put it on sale for Kijiji, $1,000. If anyone wants to buy a drone, I'm kind of looking to upgrade, but yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that one. But anyways, I'll let you guys definitely know when I post this drone footage on my Mob Media channel. And if you haven't seen that channel yet, head over there. Check it out. It's basically just a bunch of videos from my past and my entrepreneurship, and everything that's on that channel was kind of gigs that I got for Mob Media when I was doing a lot more production servicing. But regardless, I'm here, you're there. What? I gotta zoom now, man. I'm able to zoom. I'm able to vlog with this zoom. Look at this. Look at this zoom. Got that optical zoomage now. Should make for some interesting vlogs. No longer have to film on this thing anymore. Don't get me wrong, this camera is really good. But it gives you only a fixed angle all the time. So I mean, now I got different perspectives. If I want to film myself, I just be like, yo, holla back. I'm filming myself now, nigga.
Oi. Have you heard about the forecast in the morning?
Snow day tomorrow, sir.
It's a snow day.
It might be.
You going to work?
I don't know, I'll see in the morning. I found a new camera downstairs.
That's nice.
I can zoom. I can zoom in on you.
Don't zoom in on me, bro.
Zoom in on the dog.
What's and all, eh?
Saving you more. Whether you have thinning hair, receding hair, or advanced hair loss, it's a harsh reality. Hair loss adds years to your appearance. But now, you can change that with Hair Club. The #1 customized hair loss solution provider in North America. Hair Club is dedicated to giving you more confidence so you look younger.
I'm 52, and I look better now than I did when I was in my 40s.
I look better today than I did at 40.
I love it. I really do. It has changed my outlook on life.
Tell me why I'm sitting here sipping on a Heineken, trying to get some Superman OG in my life right here. This is that Superman though. Superman nugs. I'm gonna roll up a spliff right now. Yo, I love Casey's boosted board. I want to get one so bad.
Alright, thanks a lot. Alright, you take care now. Have a good weekend.
This is my weed I just broke up. I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek on what's coming out on the channel this week. Rihanna on J. Cole's Walks. Joey Badass Dreadlock review. Today I already put out the Superman OG and Blue Dream video. And I also put out Marley Talks on Marijuana. So those are what's coming up. And this is my channel. Look at this YouTube success right here. 6 days ago. 3,000 views. That's not that many views. That's It's not that many either. It's not that many. Oh, but that's a lot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Yo, I got a light on this camera too. Oh my gosh, it's so ghetto. I feel like I'm in the Blair Witch or something. And this is without the light. It's actually not a bad little camera.